Welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of y'all are doing well. So, this is the fourth episode of Makeup in Theory, and I just wanted to do something very different from my usually otherwise show. So मैंने क्या सोचा जो सबसे ज्यादा अभी ट्रेंड पे चल रहा है that is your Korean style makeup. I wanted to try that, but in a way that suits my facial features and that would actually work like a no makeup kind of a look but with that zone. And I think वो ज्यादातर उसी हिसाब से काम करता है that you hardly have any makeup on your face and you look very natural but yet snatched and very soft glow that you have on your face, and that's what we are going to work on exactly. So first thing first, I've already done my skin prep. मैं थोड़ा सा अभी बेस पे काम करते हैं सबसे पहले before we go on to the eyes, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है there's not much to do in this kind of makeup rather than you just fix yourself in a certain manner that you look very natural yet well prepped. So let's go ahead with the base. Okay, so we are done with the base. Now the very important part of Korean makeup is the eyes, right? The eyeliner and the pink shadow eyes. That's what we are aiming for. So let's just go with a lighter base first, just to neutralize my eyes, and then we will pop in with the pinks that we need. Now, just to tell you this, I'm using a Tarte palette and I'm using this neutral shade that is Smarty Pants just to neutralize the base. It's a very neutral shade that can just work through, or you can mix it with Sweetheart shade here because I believe that has like a pink tone, I believe, or neutralized tone. So you can just do that as well. I'm just gonna go over my crease line and like work it like a base. Now that the base is done, now I want to go with the peachy tone that I will go like a base here and then my liner will come over it because that's what I see on most of the Korean dramas. So I'm using the palette from Revolution Makeup. This is like a the old palette, I suppose. And then I'm using the tone Breathtaking here, the shade Breathtaking here. It looks very peachy or something like that. And I will mix it with First Class. They both look very pinky, peachy. And then I will just go give it a layer of like a liner layer look only in these portion of my eyes. So I've done that as well as I've given a small tiny bit of a layering here with my blush because it's a very pinkish tone blush. So I've used that to give like a smudgy pinkish tone to that orangish tone को थोड़ा neutralize करने के लिए. So that's what we have done. Now next what I'm going to do is go with my liner. Hello everybody, welcome back. So basically the lights are the currents are going back and forth. So, मैंने अपना बाकी का मेकअप जो है वो ज़्यादातर behind the camera कर लिया है. So I'll just give you a run through what I have done. So basically I have done a blush that is from She Glam. The shade Float On. Now basically it's a very creamy blush, but it is a very peachy shade, so it goes very well on Indian skin tone. Plus it looks very natural, so that's why I've used this shade because I always see it's orangish pinkish glow that they have. So that's why I choose this blush because it goes very well. So for the lips, I have used Sweet Kisses Hydrating Lip Balm by Namrata Soni. This is the lip balm I have used. I've just lightly dabbed it through my lips to get that slightly pink natural toned lips wherein it does not look too glamour but very natural. Now just to run you through with my eyes how we have finished it. Where we had ended was my eyeliner. From that I have done a neutral kajal, that is a nude shade kajal by Mars. This I have done here. Then I have done my mascara. That's it. Lower lashes पे हमने ज़्यादा makeup apply नहीं किया है. Just a little bit of slightly light brown shade just to neutralize the lower lashes. This is the Sweetheart shade from here that we had used for the base on top also. I think that's it. That's what we have done. For the eyebrows, I have not done anything because I usually see this. They have only very blurred out natural eyebrows. So we'll not do anything for that. So let's just do that together. I will just comb out my eyebrows. Not really fill them in, but just combing them out. That's it. Because I always see that they always have this natural eyebrows without any fillers or anything. There you go. This is a finished look, and I hope you like it. Anything that you for sure missed, because I did a lot of the makeup behind the camera, you can drop it in the comment section, and I will for sure reply to any of the product that you need to know about, or any of the blending technique, or how I did it. Anything, you can just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and I would love to see how you would create a Korean makeup look in your tone, what suits your facial features, or what you like the best, and I would want to watch those as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.